Hi, and thanks for joining me for this business sales marketing report. I've got some really good data here with me, and I'm going to attempt to show you what's been happening in the last 30 days on the business sales market and how the buyers and sellers are behaving and what transactions are happening. So let's have a closer look. This is the graph that represents daily inquiries that we receive in exclusive business sales for the businesses that we're selling. The blue bars are the number of daily inquiries. The little spaces that you see in between these clusters of inquiries are weekends or holidays, public holidays, and the red line is 7-day average. So let's have a look at what was happening for the last 3 months before we analyze last 30 days of the data that we have, month of May. In February, there were inquiries like it was business as usual, and then somewhere towards the end of the February, we started the feeling effects of COVID-19, but it was overseas. There were no any announcements or any issues here at home. And then month of March is when we started having announcements and lockouts, and it really affected. The inquiries were done by about 70 to 80%. Then in some days, not all the time. And then we had a holiday break, which was April, Easter holidays, and after the Easter holidays, whole thing rebounded and started going back to normal from the buyer's point of view. So the inquiries started going back to normal. Well, they didn't really go back to normal. The market wasn't normal for whole of April and whole of May, but what was happening is it was a different market. We noticed that people that were looking to change their lifestyle came off the market, but people that were looking to replace their job with the business started coming onto the market. And it's really, really obvious to see that there's a spike first day, which is Monday after the each break. And what actually happens on Monday, people that are looking at the businesses through the weekend on different websites or different places where businesses for sales are advertised, start making these inquiries on Monday or made them through the weekend, and we process them on Monday. In fact, for whole months of May, we were up 11% to the same period last year. So we actually have an increase of buyers on the market, which is kind of counterintuitive. Everybody was thinking what's going to happen. A lot of people are going to put the businesses in the market and won't be enough buyers, but opposite had happened, which is opposite to what happened in GFC as well. And one of the reasons for that is the fact that government has provided really, really good support for the small business. Let's look at now what's happening with the supply of the businesses on the market. And this graph represents new business activity, which is number of the owners that come to us each month, new owners, people that we didn't have a contact with before, to ask us for help with selling a business. And February was a normal level, and we're going to use February as a benchmark, so marked it here as 100%. March, all the interruptions of COVID-19 started happening, and it dropped down by 41% to 59% of the normal level. But the biggest impact of the new businesses going on the market was in April and was down to 24%, which was 1 quarter comparing to normal level, or comparing to February in this case. There was a little rebound in May to 37, so we are now on about third of the normal level of businesses that go on the market every year. So there's a definite hole here. There's about 50% of the businesses missing in last quarter. And that's starting to create a little bit of the shortage, especially shortage of the good businesses that are going on the market. And we think going forward, it's going to create a seller's market. We're seeing that already, maybe a little bit early to say, but we're seeing this already. And we're starting to see deals happening a little bit faster than they were in March and April, and across the board. So we're talking about the construction, distribution, IT, online businesses, where we still seeing somewhat subdued market, well, not some, of a quite subdued market is in retail sector and hospitality sector. Regardless if you're a buyer or the seller of the business, I hope that you find this information informative and useful, and I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
Need help selling your business, buying a business, or a business valuation? Xclusive Business Sales award-winning team are here to help. Our experience, skills, expertise and professionalism, backed up by our triple guarantee, is assurance for your success. A large network of buyers and our national coverage will help you throughout Australia in all state capitals and all regional areas. Xclusive Business Sales. Sell your business with certainty.